Hey guys, it is the 14th of December, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes, 14th. We have an older American lock. I'm not extremely good at American locks. Wouldn't say I'm bad at them either. I'm definitely worse at loader locks. I am no good at those, but I have picked a few Americans. So let's see if we can do this one. I think I tried this last year as well. Right now I'm just starting out, checking by breaking. Then we reset and then we see if we can get anything at all. Okay, try some heavy tension then, which often works better for me. But not on this one apparently. Not sure if I got a turn right there or if it was just a tensioner. Oh, okay. I know I hit pin 2, but I don't know what I did before that. But I'll definitely take it because I have wanted to put this one in for a long time. Did I bend my tensioner? Or was it just... No, that was just in the hurry. All right. I'm happy with that. That's for sure. Oh, still use the tensioner. Let's rock it a little bit. Didn't get anything out of that. All that, and I still don't think we'll get anything from breaking it. Nope. But nice. Let's get this on the tree. Whoops. I actually don't think I have this one myself. Let's see. My brain is just shut off right now. That's 14, so 10 more. 14? Yeah, 14. So 10 more to go. Yoo. So far, so good. It's really going well this year. All right. I hope you enjoyed this also quite quick little video. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.